Today we will tour 36550 W Giallo Ln in Maricopa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Maricopa, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Maricopa. Welcome to this newly constructed single-family home, completed in 2024. It offers 1,232 square feet of living space, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the great room, kitchen, and dining area, creating a spacious environment for daily living. Situated in the Anderson Farms community, residents have access to amenities such as playgrounds and walking paths. The property is also conveniently located near local dining, shopping, and major highways, providing easy access to surrounding areas. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The primary bedroom includes a spacious ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet that's ready to be filled. Here we have the kitchen featuring white cabinets, quartz countertops, and a central island. And finally, here is the great backyard with a covered patio, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Thanks for watching the tour.